Hi guys and welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course share this video. When it rains, it definitely pours for the EFF. You guys, the old saying rings true for the economic freedom fight. The party has lost yet another prominent member, Advocate Dali Mpofu, who joined Mkondo Wesizo party. You guys, in an interview with the SABC on Thursday morning, the 7th of November 2024, the former EFF chairman said Mkondo Wesizo was the only vehicle through which to achieve unity. After a lot of soul searching, I've taken a decision that I'll be joining Umkhonto Wesizwe. I'm joining the party because I believe as the vehicle to achieve the much needed black and progressive unity, said Mpofu. He joins a long list of EFF members who dumped the party to join Umkhonto Wesizwe. Firstly, it was former Deputy President Floyd Shivambu, who was followed by Mzwana Lemanyu Mpho Morolane, former Public Protector Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, and Fana Mokoena. Mpofu said as a courtesy he tried to reach out to EFF leader Julius Malema unsuccessfully to inform him about his decision. There is no need to inform anyone at any particular time. There's no bad blood. I'll extend a courtesy after this announcement. I'm sure our paths will meet in this difficult journey for unity. This is nothing personal at all. There's nothing being done against a particular person. It's something that I'm doing for my people. Mpofu confessed that he had played a critical role in the formation of the Umkhonto Wesizwe party alongside as President Jacob Zuma. As for a few months, it was only the two of them who knew about its formation. He said they held meeting rather with the leaders from various organizations before Umkhonto Wesizwe was formed. I chaired that meeting to try and sell this vision, and Zuma was present, he said. Malema posted this message on X, formerly known as Twitter. He said, only two of your favorite remains and the list will be finalized. They sing beautifully and are always willing to pose for pictures and sign roll calls, but remember, their souls are long gone. To prevent any potential hurt, it's crucial to heed the guidance of the leadership. We remain standing and are not going anywhere under a criminal syndicate, he said.